Some people are getting rich online without being smarter than you. Some people are staying poor without being lazier than you. The difference is not luck, it's not talent, it's not even effort. It's what the algorithm decided. Right now, while you're watching this, a system you have never seen and never voted for is quietly deciding who gets opportunities and who stays invisible. Today, I'm going to show you how that system works, why it controls modern success, and what it means for your future. Welcome to Tech They Don't Teach. In the old world, your future depended on people. Your teacher decided if you passed. Your boss decided if you got promoted. Your government decided the rules. There were humans you could see, humans you could argue with, humans you could blame. Today, your future depends on something else, an algorithm. An algorithm is not a robot with feelings. It is not a god. It is not a conspiracy. It is simply a set of instructions written by engineers to decide what gets shown and what gets hidden. Every major platform uses one: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Google, Amazon, LinkedIn. They don't show everything equally. They filter reality. They decide which videos appear on your screen, which businesses show up first, which news spreads, which voices grow loud, which ones disappear. When you open your phone, you are not seeing the world as it is. You are seeing a version of the world chosen by a machine, trained to keep you inside the app for as long as possible. And why? Because attention makes money. More time on screen means more ads, more data, more influence, more control. In the modern economy, attention is more valuable than oil. In the old world, success followed a clear path. Learn skills, work hard, get experience, move up. That model still exists, but it is no longer enough. In the digital world, success begins with visibility. If no one sees your work, your business doesn't grow, your ideas don't spread, your talent doesn't pay. You can be a brilliant teacher, a skilled designer, a hard-working entrepreneur, but if the algorithm doesn't push you, you remain invisible. Meanwhile, someone with less knowledge, less depth, less value can become famous overnight. Not because they are better, but because their content fits what the system wants. And what does the system want? Emotion, shock, curiosity, conflict, desire. The algorithm doesn't ask, is this true? Is this useful? Is this good for people? It asks, will this stop scrolling? Will this make them react? Will this keep them watching? So success today is no longer just about what you know. It is about how well your message survives inside a machine designed to hunt attention. The algorithm watches everything you do, how long you watch a video, where you pause, what you like, what you comment on, what you ignore. From this, it builds a model of you. It learns this person reacts to anger, this person reacts to beauty, this person reacts to fear, this person reacts to status. Then it feeds you more of what works on you. Now multiply this by billions of people, billions of reactions, billions of experiments, billions of predictions. The algorithm doesn't care if something improves society. It only cares if something keeps people inside the system. That is why outrage spreads faster than calm, drama spreads faster than reason, conspiracy spreads faster than science, because those things hijack emotion. So instead of building an economy of contribution, we build an economy of reaction. The loudest voices win, the most extreme messages spread, the most emotional content travels farthest. Over time, this becomes culture. Not truth-based culture, not wisdom-based culture, but attention-based culture. We usually think poverty means having no money, but in the digital world, poverty often starts with invisibility. If no one sees you, you don't get customers, you don't get hired, you don't get opportunities. Your CV is filtered by software. Your ads are ranked by bidding algorithms. Your loans are judged by risk models. Your dating profile is sorted by code. You are constantly being scored, ranked, filtered. And most of the time, you don't even know it happened. You just notice no reply, no growth, no chance. It feels personal, but it is not. It is automated. You were not rejected by a person. You were ignored by a system. And systems do not explain themselves. They simply move on. Look at social media. Millions of people create. A few become rich. Why? Because platforms are designed like pyramids. At the top, visibility, money, influence. At the bottom, free labor, free creativity, free data. You post, you share, you engage. The platform keeps the audience, controls distribution, sells attention to advertisers. The algorithm decides who climbs, who stays stuck. This is not accidental. It is optimized. Optimized for watch time, retention, profit, control. Not for fairness, not for balance, not for human potential. So, we live in a world where skill doesn't guarantee success, effort doesn't guarantee reward, truth doesn't guarantee attention. Only compatibility with the system does. The algorithm does not only rank content, it reshapes you. It studies what makes you angry, what makes you feel important, what makes you scared, what makes you feel special. Then it feeds you more of that. Slowly, your thinking changes. You stop asking, is this true? You start asking, is this trending? You stop asking, is this useful? You start asking, will this go viral? Your attention becomes data. Your emotion becomes currency. Your habits become predictions. You are no longer just a user. You are part of the machine, and the machine becomes smarter by watching you. There are two types of people in this system. Type 1, they ignore the algorithm. They say, I will post what I want. I don't care about trends. I don't care about hooks. And they remain invisible. Type 2, they study the system. They learn how attention works, how curiosity works, how emotion works, how retention works. They do not ask, what do I feel like saying? They ask, what does the system amplify? Then they shape their message to survive inside the system. They do not escape the game, they master it. That is why you see unknown people becoming famous, teenagers building brands, ordinary creators becoming powerful, not because they were chosen, but because they understood the rules. So is the algorithm evil? No, it does not think, it does not care, it does not judge, it only optimizes. But optimization without wisdom creates dangerous systems. A machine trained only to hold attention will amplify whatever holds attention, even if it spreads lies, even if it spreads fear, even if it spreads division. The algorithm did not invent greed, it multiplied it. The algorithm did not invent envy, it monetized it. So what can you do? Option 1, ignore the system and hope for luck. Option 2, let it shape you until you become shallow. Option 3, understand it and use it consciously. Learn storytelling, hooks, structure, emotion, timing, not to lie, but to be heard, because a truth that is never seen is the same as a lie. The goal is not to serve the algorithm. The goal is to make the algorithm carry your message. They taught you math, history, science, but they never taught you how attention works, how systems rank people, how platforms decide value, because this knowledge is not for workers, it is for controllers. People who understand systems do not stay trapped inside them, they position themselves within them. That is the difference between users and architects. Some people are getting rich without being smarter than you. Some people are staying poor without being lazier than you. The difference is not effort, it is visibility, and visibility is controlled by algorithms. That is why this channel exists. Tech they don't teach. We do not talk about apps. We do not talk about updates. We talk about the systems behind the screen. If this video made you think, like it. If you do not want to stay invisible, subscribe and comment algorithm, because in this world, it is not the strongest who survive. It is not the smartest. It is the ones who understand the system. And now, you do.